Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Oluwatife right here, and this channel right here I'm going to be talking about or showing you the process of making this distressed locks. I used two darling products to make the whole hair. Alright, so here I was at my hairdresser shop. I had my hair braided up in like 6 big chunks, so I loosened it out, and yes, my hairdresser washed it. But before then, let's just see the length of my hair. Like, see that lush okay, so I skipped filming the part where it was washed, and here it is. See how it shrunk. Oh my gosh, I don't even understand fussy hair anymore. Anyways, that's my beautiful hairdresser. She first used hair dryer like that on it to make it dried up, and she brushed it out for me, and here she was patting it. By the ways, my hairdresser, if you are in Ibadan, then yes, you can actually check her out. She's an amazing hairstylist. Our shop is inside Leeds City University. All right, don't worry, I'm just going to put the description to our shop. I'm going to put it down below, and also our Instagram handle is going to be in the description box, so you can as well check it out. So here we were, just at first she braided the hair into small sections. Here it is. I don't even understand what I was looking like at this point in time, because I don't understand. Anyways, here it was, and honestly speaking, she was the only one who did the hair, and it took about 3 hours 30 minutes, I guess. Yeah, I think it was about 3 hours in total, because I was trying to keep track of the time and stuff like that. But here she is. We were done. She added mousse to my hair, and she added some oil sprays and stuff like that to it. My hair was just feeling nice, and I was feeling myself like, oh my gosh, see, fine girl. Okay, so basically she styled it. And one thing I really love about her is the fact that after each hairstyle, she usually gives you a photo shoot. Don't worry, the picture of the photo shoot is going to be at the end of the video. But at this point, I was really feeling myself, and I loved the outcome. Like, oh my gosh. And it wasn't expensive. It was just 11,000 naira. The service charge and the distressed locks that I used, yeah, that was everything. That was the price in total. She's absolutely affordable. So here she is, feeling herself like, damn, don't you think it's nice as well? If you think it's nice, please leave a comment in the comment section. Let me know if you think it's absolutely beautiful, just like the way I fell in love with the hair. And of course, because me myself, I cannot do edges. God knows I don't know how to do my edges. She did my edges for me, and voila, that's it. So here is the finished products, and basically I'm going to also show you the I'm just going to put some pictures. Yeah, so here it is, my photo shoot session. This is what it looks like. Don't you think she's beautiful? Anyways, thank you for watching up to this moment. Don't forget to subscribe and give my video a thumbs up. Thank you so much, and refer to your friends as well.